This house has a tree growing through the middle of it, not outside, not in the yard, inside.
Start the pan
and
now,
somehow
keeping the structure
they
centered.
built the entire house
that,
around
moving
it.
slowly,
No
right?
CGI.no tricks. This is real and it
quiet on
honestly
set,
shouldn't
please.
exist because houses are supposed to control nature. This one doesn't. Nature controls everything here, and that's exactly why people are obsessed with it. This place started as raw wilderness, completely untouched. Most people would clear it. They didn't. They built around it. Got a T, the center of everything, a living tree. Still growing, breaking through the structure itself. And here's what's crazy, this isn't decoration. It's the reason the house exists. The moment you walk in, everything changes, slower, quieter, calmer, like your brain finally turns off, like you remember what real feels like. But wait, this is where it gets even crazier. Micro hook GIs, and then you see the glass, massive walls that completely disappear with you and the outside world. Light floods in the air, moves freely, dotted in endless lake right in front of you. You don't look at nature here, you're inside it. Every detail is intentional, raw wood, stone, deep green textures, nothing fake, nothing forced. This is eco-luxury done right. But here's what nobody tells you, this is insanely hard to build, because the second you keep the tree, you lose control. Structure, foundation, airflow, moisture, everything becomes a risk. One mistake, and the whole house fails. Humidity alone can destroy it. So every detail has to be perfect. Even the glass is engineered to behave like a forest canopy, filtering light, reducing heat, keeping everything balanced. And the craftsmanship? Nothing standard, everything custom, organic, alive. This isn't construction, it's controlled chaos, and it never stops. Because this house is alive. It needs constant care, just like the tree inside it. And that's what makes it different, because this isn't just a place to sleep, it's a place to slow down. Breathe. Reconnect. This is where luxury is going, not bigger, not louder. Deeper. So be honest, would you actually live here?
All right,
Or is
lift it
this
up on
just
3.
too much?
1, 2. Wait, watch the dolly wheel on the edge.